There's a party in the house and we'll be rocking tonight. So bring your body with you, baby, like I'll make you feel right. It's a freaky celebration of a natural kind, and the pleasure you'll experience will blow your mind. Come bring it in the house tonight, move your body from left to right. To all you freaks